What kind of room is this?
This is an upgrade. It's much brighter in here.
Much bigger. Rockstar. This is the...
Yeah,
sweet.
we'll have to look it up.
They don't even know. Seriously sweet.
We are in room 12225Z aboard Virgin Voyages Valiant Lady, and this is the room tour. So right when you walk in, you're greeted by a full-length mirror with lights, as well as some storage. So you have a few drawers for storage. And then next, you have your mini bar with the record player. And we'll have to go and see if we can change some of these out to see if we can test out the record player, because you can go downstairs and get the record. Our Rockstar agent also let us know that, if we don't want the rum or tequila, we can change out, so we can take out the rum and maybe add in another vodka or another whiskey, so you can customize this to your preference. From what I understand, you can't change out the name brands, so you can't go from like Tito's to Grey Goose, but you can change out the types that are available. And we will also be provided with some mixers. We of course have the included water in the room and some additional storage down below. So similar drawers to at the front of the room. And this is a so we already have some stuff. All included with the room. This is a seriously sweet. They did provide the room with a couple of towels to go on shore with. And then we have a wardrobe with a safe. A decent size safe. You could definitely fit your typical size iPad in there. Some additional drawers. And hanging space, of course, with the life jackets as well. And then, of course, the bed, the two side tables. We've got American and two USBs. And that is the case for both sides of the room, as well as some lighting switches, or light controls. So, always nice. Hopefully you can hear me. We are in the port of Miami, but this is the balcony. So nice with this balcony for sure. Of course, the table and chair, and I do this right. So we've been talking about this for about 14 months. And I look at what the beyond. For those that watch the first Virgin Voyages, so watch them or not, buy them. So for the grand finale, we have that now. And I wish you could have caught my reaction when I saw it for the first time, because it was pure shock. I was pretty underwhelmed with the bathroom on the terrace balcony for my first Voyages cruise. It did the job. There just wasn't much of people room anywhere. But here, that's a different story. This is a huge cruise bathroom. And not only a huge cruise bathroom, but a huge cruise sink. I get so tired when the sinks are like this big, and then you've got the faucet like in the corner, and you can't even wash your face. Like there's no room to put your elbows. This is a nice sink. Of course, this massive shower with the rain foam. And these look like different products than what we had in the terrace. A red flower brand. Never heard of it. Bacteria. And of course, there's a separate area for the water closet. And the final touch, a little peekaboo window on the shower. That'll be interesting. And in case we forget, we have Rockstar room. So something that Virgin does really well is this tablet in the room pretty much controls the room. Several movies and TV shows to pick from. Mufasa, that's a pretty recent movie. Oppenheimer, pretty recent stuff to watch, all included. We also have the room controls, so we can turn the AC down or make it warmer. I don't know what you would want to do that when you're in the curvy there. And then you can change the brightness of the lights as well. You can also open and close the curtains. Little handy device here. So we definitely enjoyed this on our first cruise, and I've been looking forward to seeing what entertainment is available for movies and TV. So that is our room tour of room 12225Z aboard the Valiant Lady. We hope you enjoyed it.